Aston Martin Vantage. Starting with the V8 Vantage, the Vantage range consists of the two distinct models utilizing two advanced engines, V8 Vantage S and V12 Vantage S, both available in both coupe and roadster formats. There are also two special edition models, the race car-inspired GT12 and V8 Vantage N430. Like other Astons, the Vantage models ride on an advanced aluminum structure. The front mid-mounted 4.7-liter V8 engine produces 430 horsepower in the Vantage S. The powerplant is mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox or optional 7-speed paddle-operated automated manual transmission, and the Vantage is rear-wheel drive. The V12 Vantage S has a 5.9-liter V12 that makes 563 horsepower. The V12 is linked with a 7-speed automatic, and the rear-wheel drive sports car can reach a claimed top speed of 205 miles per hour. As is the case with their predecessors, under the hood-mounted 8-cylinder petrol engine. Its volume is 4.7 liters, and power, 430 horsepower. Peak torque value reaches 530 Nm. Head-to gearshift transmission. True fans will choose the 6-speed mechanics. Common wealthy gentlemen will select 7-band automatic. Acceleration 0 to 96 km/h in about 4 seconds and a top speed of 305 km/h. A key feature is a custom exhaust muffler and bypass valve map offered that is combined to create a distinctive and highly vocal exhaust sound. Other key features include a choice of seat types, sport and lightweight, and a choice of Luxe Mil leather or Alcantara. Other available features include heated front seats, premium audio, carbon fiber interior trim, personalized sill plates, leather steering wheel, two-tone interior, umbrella, carbon pack and suede steering wheel.